In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your deleted emails in Gmail. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you've ever accidentally deleted an email that you later realized was important. So let's dive in and get your emails back. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Google's search page. In the search bar, type "How to recover your deleted emails in Gmail." This step is crucial because there are numerous ways to find information, but Google is a reliable tool to guide you in the right direction. Once you hit enter, your search results will appear. Now you should see a list of links related to recovering emails. Click on the one that best matches your inquiry. Often Google provides a direct link to Gmail Help, which contains step-by-step instructions laid out by Google itself. This is a trustworthy source, so it's the best place to start your recovery journey. Once you're in Gmail Help, look for instructions about recovering emails from the trash. When you delete an email in Gmail, it isn't gone immediately. Instead, it moves to the trash folder and stays there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. Open your Gmail account in a new tab, and on the left side, navigate to your trash folder. If you can't see it, click on More to expand your options. Inside your trash, you'll see the emails that you have deleted in the past 30 days. Browse through this list to find the email you want to recover. Once located, click on it to open. Now, you simply need to move it back to your inbox. This can be done by using the Move To button, which looks like a folder icon near the top of the page. A drop-down will appear. Select Inbox from the list. If you can't find the email in your trash, it might be because it was deleted more than 30 days ago, or it could have been deleted permanently. In such cases, reaching out to Google support might be your best bet. Google has some tools that might help recover emails that aren't in your trash folder. For additional safety, consider backing up important emails or using filters to sort and manage your inbox better. Regularly moving critical emails to secure folders can save you from future headaches. There you have it, a simple guide to recovering your deleted emails in Gmail. Remember, being organized and familiarizing yourself with Gmail's features can prevent the panic of losing emails. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life.